The 1990s were ruled by legends. In this final chapter of our NBA series, we bring back to life the real faces of basketball's fiercest warriors, powered by AI. The greatest of all time, Michael Jordan. With 6 NBA championships, 5 MVPs, and a killer instinct unmatched in history, he dominated the decade like no other. From clutch shots to game-winning dunks, MJ became the face of an entire generation. His presence alone changed basketball forever. The perfect counterpart to Jordan, Scottie Pippen. Known for his all-around skill set, elite defense, and unshakable composure, Pippen was the silent backbone of the Bulls dynasty. His versatility redefined the small forward role and proved that greatness isn't always loud. The mailman always delivered. Karl Malone. With unmatched strength and consistency, he scored over 36,000 career points, becoming one of the highest scorers in NBA history. His iconic pick and roll with John Stockton defined the Utah Jazz of the 90s. A force of nature, Charles Barkley. Despite being undersized, he dominated the boards with power and attitude. An MVP, an all-star, and a relentless competitor, Barkley brought intensity and flair to every game. His personality made him a fan favorite, both on and off the court. The heart of New York, Patrick Ewing. As the anchor of the Knicks, Ewing brought toughness, grit, and pride to Madison Square Garden. A shot-blocking machine and scoring center, he battled every night against the league's best. He was more than a player. He was a symbol of 90s grit. The 1990s gave us legends we'll never forget. Who was your favorite? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more history brought to life by AI.